I've noticed some pretty big dings on my main anvil's face. Not sure how they got there. They're hard for you to see at my normal camera angle. I'll take care of the anvil face when I have time. Maybe make a video of that. So I want to have some fun and try to make a decorative end with these pieces. Rummaging through my scrap, I found these old dies. These dies fit my old guillotine guide, but I'll use my newer guillotine guide even though the fit is sloppy. The offset of the newer one makes working it lengthwise easier. This is one of those I'm low on gas and the summer heat is unbearable kind of projects, i.e. something not too time-consuming or complicated. I need to give a big shout out to two fellas for their generous donations. Those good fellas would be John Bates and Jerry S. Hodges, helping keep the channel alive. Big thanks. As with a lot of projects of this nature, I just have a vague idea of where I want this to go. The diamond doesn't seem to line up very well, but I can sort that out later. Now I'm working what will be the top end, just drawing it out a little bit. As with most blacksmithing projects, there's more than one way to go about it, and I'm sure there's an easier way. Rather than collar the top end, I decide to give it a twist. I'll use this collar, which is nothing more than a small piece of pipe, on the bottom end. Now I'm thinking of truing and tightening up the diamond and just sort of using anything that's available. Time to put on a new pair of shorts. I'm sure my wife is embarrassed for me. Oh well, that's how it goes. I think this sort of decorative end can be used on a lot of projects. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.